Hello everybody, welcome to my latest video. Um, this is a continuation of my previous one on regarding subforms. Now, as I mentioned at the end of that video, the issue with subforms in CRM is that it does not sync along with the rest of the data and the modules when to analytics. So that was a big issue for my client at the time when subforms started basically. Um, So, because a lot of complicated reports we do for them is based on all that data in the subform in the deals module. So, I found this post CRM subforms data in Zoho Analytics. And guys, it seems the subforms data inside the Zoho CRM module, as in deals for example, is not important in Zoho Analytics. If so, any roadmap on the future? So there's a few replies, everybody saying how important it is, and there's not been any resolve yet from Zoho. Um, so I replied a few days ago. I said there's a couple of options. With the first one, I sort of did right from the start. Um, so I created a report in CRM that outputs the subform data because you can do that in CRM itself. The problem is getting it to analytics. So what I did is I created the report, exported it, and then imported into the analytics. As you can tell, that's a manual process, and your data is never going to be up to date especially if you're doing lots of reports in analytics. The data is never going to be up to date. Another option, which is basically the same, but it's just you schedule that same report to be sent to a specific Zoho email address, which then automatically saves that report in WorkDrive, and then you can sync into analytics from WorkDrive. Now the problem with both these things is that that report contains a lot of metadata, stuff like number of records, headers, and there's headers and footer stuff when the report was created. So you have to clean it out first before you even import it into analytics. But there is another option, and I'm going to show you that now. So if I go to my analytics workspace, and I can just show you, I'm going to search for there's no subform table. If I go to data sources, I go to CRM, and I click on edit setup. Now if you recall from my previous video, the subform I created was in the leads module, and you can search through here. There's no subform data. I can do a search sub or timesheet. Nothing there. So let me close this down. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to get data from CRM Subform in real time into analytics. So if I go to my lead, as you can, it's already got data there. If I edit this, and let's create a new row. So inventory, master lead, analytics 3, data 7th, bring 4,5 and 100. So as soon as I click on the save button here, my data, I want my data to be in analytics in a table. So that's been saved. And if I go to, and I refresh this, and there's a new table here called subform. I click on Subform. There's all my data. You've got the lead ID and all the data from that subform. So if I go and edit again, and let's just change a few things. Let's change that to 4. We'll put in 4, 5, and change that to 300. And yeah, let's leave that for now and save that. So before there was these fields, some of these fields were empty. I've changed that to 4. So save that. So if I refresh this, description is filled in. I've changed that to 4. Yeah, so all the data is there. So now I can create a table, create a table. So there you go. You can do a join on from the new subform table onto your leads data, and you can do any kinds of reporting now. So I hope this video was of use, of help to anybody. Yeah, if you got any questions, feel free to email me. Please leave some comments and please subscribe, so I can know these videos are helpful and if I should do any more of them. Okay, thanks very much. Speak to you later.